Hey, it's Dr. Angelina with Surgicare Arts. Today I wanted to discuss a couple procedures that are for women. So number one, radiofrequency treatment called Votiva. It is transvaginal treatment for urinary incontinence, for vaginal rejuvenation, even though of course it does much more than that, improves sexual life. If somebody had painful sex, it helps with that. And it's usually a set of three. I don't think one procedure is enough because it's such a minimally invasive procedure. I don't feel like one treatment will give you enough of result, even though I did have some patients come in and say that they had improvement 60% after one treatment for urinary incontinence. And that's somebody who was actually wearing pads because they couldn't hold the urine from the stress incontinence. For Votiva treatment, what would happen? How does the appointment go? Is a common question. So obviously, I would like to meet a patient for consultation. That's when we get to evaluate you. You tell me about your past history. We decide if you're a good candidate for this procedure. And of course, we schedule procedure. It could be done the same day for some people. The procedure itself takes about 45 minutes, and then we'll repeat at least 2 more treatments about 1 month apart. The treatment is painless, meaning I don't require any numbing medicine, no waiting time to get started with the treatment. Really no discomfort of anything. Most people just kind of relax and enjoy. And there's no downtime. You go home right away. You can drive yourself. You don't have to have a driver. It's kind of like going to the dentist, just the other end. Now, how many treatments do you need? As I said, I usually start people with a set of 3. There are a group of people who will need more treatments, and I usually wait and decide that as we go, meaning we'll do 3 treatments 1 month apart. We'll see what your response is. If you did well and you're happy with the result, we can stop. Some people will need a touch-up treatment at least every 6 to 9 months. Some people can go for longer without having more treatments. But at some point, age and gravity takes over, and collagen will continue to break down. And so we will need another treatment sometime in the future. But again, because it's such a minimally invasive treatment and painless treatment, it's like getting a facial. You really don't need to worry about it when you get in the first 3.